Let's learn how you can secretly take a photo without opening your camera application. So let us start by opening our shortcut application. To go there, you can just find it on search bar or you can have it on homepage. I don't have it on homepage, so I'll just type shortcuts and find and open the application. Now what you want to do is to create a new shortcut. To do that, you have to click on this plus sign in top right corner and it will open you a menu with actions you want to do. Now on search actions, click there and just type in take photo. Now it will say take one photo with back camera. You want to click on this arrow that will show this show camera preview. You don't want to do that, so we will have to turn it off. Now type again on search action and just type save to photo album. Now, so what this means, first shortcut will take a photo with the back of the camera and then save it to photo album in recents. When you done this, click on done button and you can just edit this shortcut and style it however you want. For example, you can style the icon. We can choose to make it, for example, a song. So it will be music application. That way no one will make it suspicious. Now you can just add it to your home page and click on it. As you can see right now, it doesn't work here. Okay, it works. I thought it's gonna not work because I'm recording already, but it will work anyway. So you'll see just this notification that application is taking a photo, but you're not going into camera, you will not open camera, and you are not taking a photo or video from camera. Now then it will be saved to photos. So thanks for watching, that's it, and see you in the next video.